two names, Bholari and BrahMos. Indian airstrike on Pakistan base in high resolution. Another evidence now, just in case was required. This photograph possibly is the most clear ever of the hellfired Bholari base. Bholari Air Base in Pakistan, where India's BrahMos missile has left a deadly signature. Remember, this time India speaking with evidence of satellite imagery, thermal imagery, ground evidence as well. Look at that gaping hole. Look closely on your screen. This is Pakistan's Bholari base. And you can see the before and after. You can see the difference, the timestamp that comes in it. And it appears these are from the Maxar satellite imagery that has come in. You can see a clear image of what it looked like before. Look at that. That's the Bholari Air Base, one of the 9 bases that had been hit of Pakistan. Now, amid Noor Khan, Murid, Rafiqi, Sukur and others, Bholari was very important as well. So this you can see, and we'll get more clarity on this with our reporters on the ground who have been tracking it. But this again is another reminder of what exactly happened. India isn't just claiming. Remember, Pakistan is saying India is lying, India is spreading propagandas. But the fact is India is putting it all out with regard to images, with regard to videos. If Pakistan wants to still be in denial, sure, go ahead. Shivani Sharma joins me for the latest on that. Shivani, tell me more about the Bholari Air Base this time. What are we looking at? Because these are absolutely clear images that I see on my screen, specifically with regard to a direct impact on the roof.
Pooja, this is one airbase that has been impacted by the Indian Armed Forces, and Bholari Air Base is a very strategically located airbase in Pakistan, the southern province of Punjab there. This is very important in terms of its movements that are forward areas. And this particular base also has a number of fighters, and very important out here, they have their stores for the warlike stores that are kept in this particular airbase. We can see in these pictures, initially, Pooja, remember when Operation Sindoor was conducted, we were seeing a lot of videos that were circulating from Pakistan. But we were waiting for more confirmation, more evidences. And now these pictures, more satellite images, the detailed pictures that have been also put across by the DGMOs of the Army, Navy and the Air Force, they are showing clear indications of heavy impact, not only on the runways in these air bases, but the infrastructure around that is very much required for a runway and an air base to be operational. So this is how we see that the air bases have been crippled by Indian Armed Forces and several attacks. And this also includes, Pooja, the BrahMos missiles that have been used for this attack against Pakistan's misadventure on the
Shivani, stay on with me. I want to explain these images because if I'm correct, and Shivani, add on that, this is the same base in Sindh where squadron leader Usman Yusuf and 4 others in uniform also were hit. The PAF casualties that were faced by Indian missile attack were at this base, the Bholari Air Base. Now, why this is important? Why are we sharing this image with you? One, look closely about the before and after. You can see heavy damage inflicted. You can see how the area has been crippled. It cannot be used, at least for a while. But what was housed in this base? According to our information, the base supports F-16, JF-17 fighter jets, critical to Pakistan's southern air operations. Now, Pakistan authorities, of course, not specifying the losses, but here's what India is sharing. How can Pakistan or any country supporting Pakistan deny one after another the evidence that India is sending out? So look at this. Amid, remember, in total about 8 to 9 PAF bases, but this after Noor Khan, after other bases, especially in Chakwal, the Murid base, Rafiqi base, this comes in also significant. And because it houses important aircraft storage facilities, Shivani, I bring you in here. It isn't just about inflicting damage over a roof or an area. It's about which base houses what, and if it is crippled, if there's heavy damage inflicted, the impact that it has on the base.
Pooja, the armed forces in a synergetic and a strategized operation very carefully selected which area where to be hit, because, you know, the ones which were sending those drones, there we saw how the runways have been completely damaged. The air defense systems at Lahore, the air defense systems, including the HQ-9, the HQ-16, that are the Chinese defense systems that Pakistanis have been using, they were crippled because India was planning a strategic strike at these air bases. So it was a stepped, leveled, and a very precise and measured response from Indian side. And we knew where we have to destroy what. So here, we can see these pictures not only of the runways, but the ops rooms, the areas surrounding the runway, which is very much required for the support vehicles, the personnel locations out there. They were all hit just to cripple the capability of Pakistan to attack India, Indian military bases, Indian civilians. And this is what we exactly see out here because, the armed forces have been clarifying, Pooja, that we are capable of much more, but we do not want to harm the civilians out there. Our fight is not with the military in Pakistan, but with the terrorists. So if Pakistan escalates, we have very much capable missile systems that can hit and destroy all these bases in a big manner. But we want a measured and a focused retaliatory message going across, and that's what we see here.
Stay on with me, Shivani, because this is the base. The viewer must know that apart from while there was damage to the Rahim Yar Khan base, to the Noor Khan base, this was the base, according to our information verified, where there were casualties to the Pakistan armed forces. And not just with regard to the soldiers, the military target, but the radars were destroyed. Pakistan jets have been hit as well. That is the information that has come in. The Maxar satellite imagery on your screen right now. Very clearly the hit that has been seen at a base, the Bolari Air Base, where it houses jets. Remember, so-called defense systems of Pakistan could not intercept. It speaks highly as much about our missile attacks, especially the BrahMos, but also, in turn, our defense systems managed to not only save our military strategic targets, but our lives too across cities when Pakistan was throwing the drone attacks our side. Shivani, thank you very much for now. We'll keep tracking the latest on that.